In this video, I'll show you the best way to disable Auto Start Stop in your 2025 Ford Escape. Use a trim removal tool to lift the upper center console trim panel. Once the friction clips detach, there are two additional latches that must be pressed forward to completely detach the front side of the panel. Remove the rubber mat above the inductive charger, then pop the charger up from below by pressing forward and up on the latch. Here's a better view of the charger latch design. Next, press the release tab on the wiring harness connector to disconnect the harness and remove the charger. Here's a better view of the connector latch. Connect the Autostop Eliminator to the vehicle wiring harness and arrange the module and harness as shown. Reconnect the charger, replace the rubber mat, and reinstall the center console trim panel. Now that the device is installed, the setting for Auto Start Stop will be remembered and automatically restored.